بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
كاف ها يا عين صاد. ذكر رحمة ربك عبده زكريا إذ نادى ربه نداء خفيا قال رب إني وهن العظم مني واشتعل الرأس شيبا ولم أكن بدعائك رب شقيا وإني خفت الموالي من ورائي وكانت امرأتي عاقرا فهب لي من لدنك وليا يرثني ويرث من آل يعقوب واجعله رب رضيا.
Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. A mention of the mercy of thy Lord unto his servant Zechariah, when he cried unto his Lord a cry in secret, saying, My Lord, lo, the bones of me wax feeble, and my head is shining with grey hair, and I had never been unblessed in prayer to thee, my Lord. Lo, I fear my kinsfolk after me, since my wife is barren. O, give me from thy presence a successor. Who shall inherit of me, and inherit also of the house of Jacob, and make him my Lord acceptable unto thee?
يا زكريا إنا نبشرك بغلام اسمه يحيى لم نجعل له من قبل سميا قال رب أنى يكون لي غلام وكانت امرأتي عاقرا وقد بلغت من الكبر عتيا قال كذلك قال ربك هو علي هين وقد خلقتك من قبل ولم تك شيئا.
It was said unto him, O Zechariah, lo, we bring thee tidings of a son whose name is John. We have given the same name to none before him. He said, My Lord, how can I have a son when my wife is barren and I have reached infirm old age? He said, So it will be. Thy Lord saith, It is easy for me, even as I created thee before, when thou wast not.
قال رب اجعل لي آية قال آيتك ألا تكلم الناس 3 ليال سويا فخرج على قومه من المحراب فأوحى إليهم أن سبحوا بكرة وعشيا يا يحيى خذ الكتاب بقوة وآتيناه الحكم صبيا وحنانا من لدنا وزكاة وكان تقيا وبرا بوالديه ولم يكن جبارا عصيا وسلام عليه يوم ولد ويوم يموت ويوم يبعث حيا.
He said, My Lord, appoint for me some token. He said, Thy token is that thou with no bodily defect shalt not speak unto mankind 3 nights. Then he came forth unto his people from the sanctuary and signified to them, Glorify your Lord at break of day and fall of night. And it was said unto his son, O John, hold fast the scripture, and we gave him wisdom when a child, and compassion from our presence and purity, and he was devout. and dutiful toward his parents, and he was not arrogant, rebellious. Peace on him the day he was born, and the day he dieth, and the day he shall be raised alive.
واذكر في الكتاب مريم إذ انتبذت من أهلها مكانا شرقيا فاتخذت من دونهم حجابا فأرسلنا إليها روحنا فتمثل لها بشرا سويا.
And make mention of Mary in the scripture, when she had withdrawn from her people to a chamber looking east, and had chosen seclusion from them. Then we sent unto her our Spirit, and it assumed for her the likeness of a perfect man.